Ford has revealed that it just might create a Raptor-branded variant of its Everest SUV. During an interview recently given to Australia's Drive, Ford performance head engineer Jamal Hameedi revealed that the popularity of the F-150 Raptor and the hype surrounding the Ranger Raptor could lead to the creation of a third model in the family. "There's no reason we wouldn't do an Everest Raptor. The first F-150 Raptor was way beyond our wildest dreams in terms of success, and that success spawned a Ranger Raptor. So to do an SUV is a little more difficult, because you have to figure out how to deal with the rear suspension. In the form of a body side outer, it's not just a box outer, and that poses a unique challenge in how you package that," Hameedi said. When asked about the feasibility of such a vehicle, Ford Australia Product Communications Manager Damien Somai said it could be the perfect answer to growing demand for performance SUV models. If an Everest Raptor does see the light of day, it could use the 2.0-liter twin-turbocharged diesel of the Ranger Raptor, though the 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 of the F-150 Raptor would certainly make for a much more exciting option.